start with our series on Down to Earth summary from 16 to 31st of March. So in this summary series, we would cover the following list of topics. However, our sessions would be divided across lectures, so stay subscribed for further ones. Now, in this section, we'll specifically focus on what are the major renewable energy transitions. So if we talk about India, India has recorded the largest drop in the greenhouse gas emissions among the major economies in 2025, and so far we have seen that we have a target of nearly generating 500 gigawatts by 2030. 52% of the installed share with 29% generation has been seen, and we for non-fossil fuel we have already 250 gigawatts plus capacity that we have reached. India in terms of solar and wind is the third and the fourth largest market respectively. So we do have significant milestones for renewable energy. In Karnataka, the installed share is somewhere at around 73%, with revenue generation with the generation capacity of 61%. The major ones include the Pavagadh. There are numerous solar power projects which account for around 10 gigawatts of energy, and we also have focused on new megawatts of thermal for base load. Grid overloading for the legacy plants have been checked. The next is for Tamil Nadu. We have wind capacity at around 12 gigawatts, total renewable at around 27 gigawatts, with offshore potential of 35 gigawatt that needs to be harnessed at the earliest. Now, definitely there are numerous opportunities for renewable energy in the regions of Karnataka, in the regions of Tamil Nadu, whole of the coastal belt, the regions of Kutch in Gujarat, and that need to be harnessed further so that our cost on renewable on energy dependence can be significantly reduced in light of the recent geopolitical turmoil. So that was in this session. We will continue with the down to earth sessions on next topics in the next video. Stay tuned.